Apiens NFT, we are officially doubling down on this one as a money bag alert. From the last videos, you guys are going to see in just a bit when we get to those prices. They are on the up and up. They just had an amazing AMA Spaces on Twitter. But first, welcome back. Moneybags Rico here, bringing you financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said and out the way, let's go ahead and dive into this spaces. And I'm going to briefly touch up on some of the things they were saying. But staking is what we're mainly going to focus on. And also looking at these prices, I did a video not too long ago on Apiens. I want you guys to come over here and watch this. Go ahead and listen to this right here. The utility, over $100,000 in staking rewards for those who stake their Apiens. Just hearing what they got in store for the community is absolutely amazing. And those things right there, whether it's NFT giveaways or free mints, whether it's just plain ETH, that's very, very big for the community. We're going to check something out on their Instagram. I highly advise you, this is financial advice, to go watch this and listen to this before you guys make any moves on these Apiens right here. But we're going to go ahead and take a look at this, which I thought was amazing. Going to their Instagram, make sure you guys tap in with them if you guys got an IG. We got the mint price was 0.1 ETH. Okay, now let's just go ahead and take a look at this collection. That now it's at 0.405. The last video I made, they were in the 0.3s. And I already let everybody know that these are going to be on their March tours, knocking away this all-time high. And that all-time high, to be honest with you, is really nothing. But, in retrospect, just looking at where the markets are at right now, to be able to keep pushing up right now when a lot of things are falling, that's pretty strong. Another thing that I noticed, and it's important to note this, especially coming like from a marketing standpoint, is 556 people tuned in. That's huge right there, right? And then if we come over here and reflect that to the amount of buys that are starting to happen compared to before that, so we understand, that the community resonated with that. That's what I like to notice, right? Before, we have 4 days ago, 3 days ago. So only if, let's give you a perfect example. So 4 days ago, they were moving. So, so let's go ahead and scroll up, see if OpenSea. Okay. So we got 3 days ago, only 3 apes. 2 days ago, there were about, what do we got right there? 2, 4, 6 apes were sold. 1 day ago were 1, 2, 3 apes, and then right now look at how many apes are moving. So that goes to show that AMA Spaces and what the community heard, they liked it. That, and I also did too. They're gonna have a lot of things to do with merch. That's what this one's about, where you're gonna be able to go into your Apiens merch and literally start to pick out how you want your NFT to look. This is going to be huge. I also heard them talking about later on implementing, because if you notice, the Apiens only go up to the waist, right? So I also heard that later on they will be implementing where you would be able to pick out shoes, your pants and stuff like that, which all makes sense considering that, it's all about getting the drip together. So this is something that I don't want you guys to miss out. That's why over here at the Moneybag channel, we're doubling down on this one as a money bag alert. The price has already picked up those all-time highs that were right here at that 0.69, those are gone. That's going to be gone eventually. Do not miss out. We see the volume picking up. You guys know I always say volume is king. And I think something in those spaces, I got to give a big shout out to the Apiens, community, for, coming hard on the last video. I want you guys to go ahead and pull up to this video. It'd be super cool to get, 565 people to tune in, but obviously we have people from a lot of different projects tuned in. But I want you guys to go ahead and be just as pumped up as you guys were inside of that spaces in the comments if you guys can, because, that'll help the YouTube algorithm push these videos out and possibly show people that, Apiens is something serious to be keeping an eye on right there. We got the Apiens following. Make sure this bell notification is also lit up. Sometimes Twitter, for some reason, takes the, makes it not light up or whatever. And just make sure that it's lit up so like that you guys do not miss out on what's going on right now with the Apiens. So we're going to take a quick look over here. Make sure you guys smash the like button. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Also, make sure the bell notification is lit up on the YouTube side of things so you guys do not miss out on any more daily, Apien content. You guys definitely do not want to miss out. I'm going to be keeping a close eye on this one. I want you guys to continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.